Hello guys, I'm back with my next video. I hope my previous video regarding the coverage of under eyes, dark circles, pigments was useful to you. So we move further to our next step after application of our concealer and foundation, that is contouring. Now why contouring is important? Contouring will always help you to define your features well. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to contour your cheeks and your nose in few simple steps. So here we go. So before we start contouring, I have applied my concealer and my foundation on my face, as you can see. So you can also do that. So once your concealer and foundation is applied, this is the time you can contour your features well and highlight them. So to contour my face, I'm using a shade which is darker than my skin tone. This will help me to create a good shadow on my face. I'm using a cream concealer. If you can see, this is 2 shades darker than my skin tone, and I'm going to apply this with a contour brush. You have this angular size contour brush available. This is a Body Shop contour brush which I'm going to use. This will help me to give a good angle when I'm applying my concealer on my face. So let's start the contouring. I'm going to take the product on my angular brush and hold the brush in the angular way. I'm going to start applying the product from mid of my ear and get it towards my cheeks. So if you're not comfortable with seeing the position where you need to contour, you can always pout. How much to get this further, it depends on how much deep you want to go in the contouring. So I would recommend you to stop till your eyes, from the mid of the ear till your eyes. So once the contouring, the concealer is applied, we will start blending it. So for blending, I'm going to use this stippling brush. It looks something like this. If you don't have this, you can also use your blender sponge. With that also, you can blend it nicely. So again, I'm going in circular motions. As you can see, my cheeks have already uplifted slightly and I've got a nice shadow on my face. When the contouring is done, the best way to see if your contouring is done the right way is see yourself straight in the mirror. You can see the shadow on your face nicely. So once the contouring is done, I'm going to highlight my cheeks by using a blusher. To apply the blusher, I'm taking a powder brush. And I'm going to apply the blusher just above the line where I have contoured. So this way I'm highlighting my cheekbones. The blusher what I'm using will be mentioned in my description box. As you can see, I have highlighted my cheeks nicely with a blusher, and I'll end this by applying a highlighter. Highlighter will go just above your blusher in this way, in this line. This will give a nice shine to your face. So this way you can define your cheeks well by contouring and highlight them by giving a nice blusher and a highlighter. So we move further by contouring of our nose. Again, I'm going to use the same contour concealer which I'm using, 2 shades darker than my tone, and the contour brush. So to contour the nose, we need to get the bridge of this is the highlighting part of our nose. So it depends on how you want to highlight your nose. If you want to keep it little slimmer, you can go for deep contour. If you want your nose to if you want to contour from this area, you can put the product here. So let's start. Always try to create a shadow from the sides so that the bridge of your nose is nicely highlighted and your nose looks slimmer. Start from starting of your nose. Now you can apply the product accordingly how deeper you want to go with the contour, like how much you want to contour your nose. It's your personal choice. As you can see, I have created two lines nicely on my nose. So I'm going to blend it. This will help me to create a shadow from the sides and help me to highlight my bridge well. As you can see, I have blended the product well. So there's a shadow on my nose, but at the same time, my nose bridge, I've highlighted it nicely. So I'll give a slight highlight on my nose bridge by applying the highlighter. Again, this is optional. I'm just taking it slightly on my fingertip. And the highlighter has to come only till mid of your nose, not till down. So this way you can contour your cheeks and your nose and define your features well. You can also contour your jawline and your forehead. The contouring, I would say it's your personal choice. However deep you want to go with the contouring, apply the product more, but make sure you blend it well. You will get these palettes available. So these are good palettes to have it in your kit. It's a 3-in-1 palette, as you can see, with a contour, blusher and a highlighter. I will be mentioning the details of this product in my description box. So this way you can create a perfect makeup look in few simple steps. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any doubts or queries, do message me on my Insta or my Facebook page, that is Glitz by Vaibhavi. Also do subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Glitz by Vaibhavi. Thank you.